wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream. Hi, kids!
Hi!
Hi! Oh, there you are! Hi! Wow, hi kids from A to Z, from east to west. I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again! Yeah, can you say it with me? Dream again! No? One more time. Dream again! Yay! Good job, guys. Wow. Do you know what today is? Today's very special because today is
Story time!
Story time! That's right. And today I have a special surprise. Usually I read you one book, but today I'm going to read you many short stories. Yeah. Isn't that neat? Yeah. Some stories are very long and some stories are very small, like us, like kids. Yep. There are big stories and little stories. Yeah. Adults usually like big stories. I like little stories and medium stories. Yeah, they're nice. So today I'm going to read you some of my favorite nursery rhymes. Ooh. You know what else is fun about these? They rhyme. We remember what rhyme means? When the end of two words sound the same. So like blue and glue and you and moo from a cow. Yeah, that's a rhyme. Those are all rhymes. Okay. All right. Are you guys ready? Yeah? Okay. Let's start. The first one. Oh, and if you know any of these, you can say them with me. Because some of you might know. Okay. The first is Mary's Little Lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. Ah, yeah, the lamb went with her to school. Have you guys ever taken a lamb to school? I have not, but maybe you could. I don't know. For show and tell, or you could bring a picture of a lamb, or yeah, that'd be neat. I'd love to see a lamb at school. Okay. The next one is Jack be nimble. Jack be nimble. Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. Oh, yeah. Well, but he better make sure he jumps high. I mean, candlesticks are dangerous. That's hot. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh, whew. What if he landed on the candle and then Jack would burn his bum? Oh no, that would be awful. But in a book, it's funny. Yeah. Okay. Now, the Queen of Hearts. Oh, it's like a story made for me because I like hearts and I'm a girl, so I could be a queen. That'd be lovely. Queen of Hearts. The Queen of Hearts, she made some tarts all on a summer's day. The Knave of Hearts, he stole her tarts and took them clean away. The King of Hearts called for the tarts and beat the knave full sore. The Knave of Hearts brought back the tarts and vowed he'd steal no more. Oh yeah, he learned his lesson, huh? It's not nice to steal something if someone takes a long time to bake it and make it and they have a sweet little tart. Yeah. Okay, this one's called Little Piggy. I bet you guys know this one. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had a roast beef. This little piggy had none. And this little piggy cried, wee, 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 all the way home. I like that one. Yeah. Have you guys ever had anyone do that with your toes? Yeah, my mom did that with my toes. That's funny. Yeah, I like it when she does that. Okay. To market, to market. I don't know this one. To market, to buy a fat pig. Home again, dancing a jig. To market, to buy a fat hog. Home again, jiggity jog. Ha! That one's fun. Ooh! How about this one? Do you guys know this one? Hickory, dickory, dock. Yeah, I think some of you know this one. Me too. Okay. Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory, dickory, dock. Oh, what fun! I like when mouses run up and down the clock. That's neat. Ooh. Okay, let's try Old King Cole. Old King Cole was a merry old soul, and a merry old soul was he. He called for his pipe, and he called for his bowl, and he called for his fiddlers three. He called for his pipe, and he called for his bowl, and he called for his fiddlers three. Every fiddler he had a fine fiddle, and a very fine fiddle had he. Oh, there's none so rare as can compare with King Cole and his fiddlers three. Whoa, that one's so hard to say. Let's try just the end. Okay, no, let's do the whole thing really fast. Okay. Old King Cole was a merry old soul, and a merry old soul was he. He called for his pipe, and he called for his bowl, and he called for his fiddlers three. Every fiddler he had a fine fiddle, and every fine fiddle he had the... Okay, one more time. Old King Cole was a merry old soul, and a merry old soul was he. He called for his pipe, and he called for his bowl, and he called for his fiddlers three. Every fiddler he had a fine fiddle. Every fiddler he had a fine fiddle, and a very fine fiddle had he. And there's none so rare as can compare with King Cole and his fiddlers three. Whoa! That was exhausting. Guys, oh no. Do you know what the next one is? The next one's even harder. The next one is Peter Piper. Okay, I gotta get my breath. Are you guys ready for this? Okay, it's Peter Piper. Should I start slow and then go fast, or just go fast?
Fast.
Let's go fast. Okay. Peter Piper picked a pickle bus. A pickle Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a pickle bus, how many pickle? I didn't get it. Okay, one more time. Peter Piper picked a pickle peppers. A pickle peppers. Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a pickle peppers, where's the pepper pickle? Peter Piper picked. Where's the pepper pickles? Peter Piper picked. Whoa. Do you guys know what I said?
No.
No. Should we do it slow?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's do it slow. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Whoa! Should we do a medium one?
Yes.
Yeah, let's do medium. Okay, Peter Piper. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of peppers? Where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Yay! Wow! That was hard. Woo! Thanks, guys. Thanks. That was very, very hard. Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate your applause. Okay. Let's do an easier one. Let's do Ba, ba, black sheep. Ba, ba, black sheep. Have you any wool? Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for my master, 1 for my dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. He's gonna take some wool and give it to people. Do you know what a dame is? A dame is a lady. And a lane is a street. Yeah. Ooh, I like this one. Let's do this one. Old Mother Hubbard. This one I think is kind of funny. Okay. Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to get her poor dog a bone. But when she got there, the cupboard was bare, and so the poor dog had none. That's sad. The dog wants a bone. Maybe we can change it. Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to get her poor dog a bone. But when she got there, the cupboard was full. And so the poor dog had 1. Yep, I just made it happier. Ooh, how about this one? I don't know it. Wee Willie Winky. Wee Willie Winky runs through the town, upstairs and downstairs in his nightgown, rapping at the window, crying through the lock. Are the children in their beds? For now it's 8 o'clock. Oh, Wee Willie Winky tells you to go to bed. Like your eyes wink when you get sleepy, huh? Yeah, mine too. I'm actually getting a little tired right now. Yeah, I think all those fast ones wore me out. Well, that might be enough for today then. Did you guys have fun? Yeah, were the fun ones, or were the little ones fun too? Great. Well, thank you guys for coming. Thank you for watching Dream Again. Good night. Sleep tight. Bye. Bye. And don't forget to dream again. Dream again. Bye. Oh, I'm tired.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below.